SortMagic Desktop is our proprietary software that you may download for free on Mac or Windows. It makes reviewing the sorting and uploading your images much faster than traditional web-based uploaders, which we also offer. After your shoot, if you want to do global edits, or if you shoot in RAW format, then bring your files into Lightroom or Capture One and perform the necessary edits. Then export your images in JPEG format. As we sort based on the capture date time metadata found in your images, you will need to make sure the JPEG files get the same metadata as the originals by clicking the Copy Metadata checkbox in your software's Export dialog window. Once you have your JPEGs, you can now use the SortMagic Desktop software to review the sorting and upload your images automatically into their proper galleries. In the SortMagic Desktop software, select your event. Then select the appropriate camera option. If you are uploading images from multiple cameras, you will select the first option. In this case, we are uploading images shot from a single camera. Select the files you wish to upload. It does not need to be all the files, and you may upload in batches. Next, select a working folder. Our software makes copies of your files prior to uploading, so we are not working with your originals. While this can be any folder except where the originals are stored, we recommend that you create a folder called Proofpix on a hard drive that has ample space and select this folder each time you are asked. In the Review Fix Sorting step, we can see that the images have been properly assigned to their respective galleries in the first column. The third column shows you which log was found to match the gallery as compared to each file time, which you can see in the last column. If a photographer forgot to click the button in the SortMagic mobile app before shooting a subject, you will see two people being assigned to the same gallery. You may correct this by right-clicking on the first image of the person who was missorted and then assign them to their proper gallery. You may use the same process to assign galleries manually if the mobile app was not used. The background section is completely optional. The first option allows you to remove backgrounds from your selected images. This step is usually used when doing team and individual sports events, and you want to remove backgrounds so you can use Pixnub or Photoshop in a subsequent step to create product images like memory mates or magazine covers. The second option allows you to remove and add any number of your own backgrounds to your selected images, usually for school events where you would like to give your clients a selection of backgrounds. The third option allows you to add any number of backgrounds to your selected images, but in this case you are using transparent PNGs where the background removal was done somewhere else. We will skip the background options for now. Price Magic is an exclusive Proofpix feature usually used for team and individual sports events to prevent images made for memory mates being applied to buttons or images made for banners being applied to prints, for example. Let's skip this step for now. In the next step, you may choose the watermark you wish to apply, including custom watermarks that you may upload. If you would like the system to rename your files after each subject, you can select to do so here. Now let's click on the Sort and Upload step. If you have a really powerful modern computer, then you can slide the concurrent processing to 10 files to use all the cores in your computer to speed the processing up. If you would like us to sort your images into folders by subject name on your hard drive, leave this Sort Locally option selected, and leave the Upload option selected to upload your images into their online galleries. And now let's begin the process by clicking the Sort and Upload button. And now, in the Event Galleries section of the admin panel, we can see that the images have been uploaded into their proper galleries.